Mathew Nolan. Oh, he's here. I thought he's sleeping also. So Mathew is attorney at law, partner at Arent Fox Schiff in Washington, D.C. And as we always do, SIPS is multidimensional. We have a law symposium dedicated to a lawyer. Previously, it was dedicated to Malcolm McNeil last year. So these are famous lawyers, and we honor that because law is part of the sustainability framework I mentioned in our invention that I mentioned in the plenary, in the first day and the second day. So how do you feel, Malcolm?
I feel good, although I'm one of only 3 or 4 of us that got the message about wearing the tuxedo tonight. So
heavy.
That's all right. No, it's great to be here. Thank you very much. I will attest to Florian's steadfastness in trying to get people to come. Between him and Malcolm, I could not say no to the invitation. Of course, coming to Phuket didn't hurt either. I really enjoyed the sessions with everyone. I've learned a lot. I mean, I'm a lawyer, I'm not a scientist, but I really learned a lot this week, and it was a lot of fun listening to all the speakers. Dr. Sheckman, you're my new hero, and I just enjoyed it tremendously. So thank you all very much, and thank you, Florian, for inviting me.
So how many times you have come and given lectures for free?
Twice a year for
Twice a year?
10, 15 years, yeah, usually in other countries.
So if I ask you to send me the bill, how much the bill will be?
You don't want to know. Well, way too expensive.
That's SIPS. In SIPS, lawyers are for free for scientists. That's what I'll always do. That's why I'm joking. That's the award with a name on it. So, but I'm going to charge for this, for the paper, the value of paper. So, thank you. And this is Nolan. Again, these pictures are for the symposium. They are not aware for the award. So this is for the symposium because we have the symposium dedicated to him. Thanksgivings, ski holiday. This is. Now, the question is, does a scientist's life compares with this? Is this similar? The difference is he doesn't smile a lot. Not at all, actually, compared to Mizutani.